That should be fish.
Guys, welcome back to the vlog channel. We are starting off right in the kitchen. I can't even talk this morning because I got woken out of my bed. So y'all know it's Good Friday, Easter. You know, typical Jamaicans fry up their fish and have their bun and cheese. We don't even have bun and cheese. Why didn't you buy bun and cheese yesterday?
Look like we have bun and cheese money. I want to you.
There's no bun and cheese. But anyways, so my dad's here.
That's not true.
What we gonna do is share this with one little piece of bun.
Time's rough. I want to feel quarantine. We have to preserve the food.
That's what we're gonna do. Cut it.
Cheese.
No.
Right?
Okay, yo guys, let me know down below if you guys like plain bun and cheese or the one with all the raisins and stuff in it. I don't like the one with all the raisins and stuff in it. I will eat it, but I don't fancy it.
This bun and cheese share for everybody.
So my dad's up in here.
Yes.
They broke the bread, right?
Yes, we will.
So anyways, he's here making some escovitch fish. We got some red snapper. He seasoned them last night so that, like, you know, the seasoning can soak up and stuff. What's the key to frying fish so that it doesn't stick?
The fish has to go in the pot hot.
Yeah.
If the pot's cold, it gives the fish time to stick to the pot.
And don't turn it early, right?
Yeah.
That's the one thing I do wrong.
Don't ever try and force and turn it. You could actually, the fish tells you when he wants to turn. Right now it's sticking, so let it go on stick. Let it go on stay for a little longer in that side. It'll free up itself.
I think that's my problem. Once I see that, I start freaking out and I'm like, oh shoot.
When it's sticking, don't get freaked out. Leave it alone.
Yeah, so he's doing that, and then he has his vegetables cut up that he's gonna saute up, which I'll show you guys how he does that. And then we got some pork. So this was seasoned overnight as well. I'll show you guys how he does this. Like a roast pork.
It's gonna be jerked.
Oh, sorry, a jerk pork.
That chat things I not even know.
I really don't know. What? I'm trying to stand far because I don't want to get burnt. So perfect that looks. Nice and crispy. Now like get out.
You get burned.
Like this one. When you feel the fish sticking like this one, you just gotta rock it. Sometimes you gotta turn it this side, or you gotta come to this side and just rock it. Eventually it'll loosen up on its own. Then you'll be able to flip it. You can't just attack it and try to flip it. See that? That was sticking. It just takes time. A little bit of oil. Pimento. So I'm just going to add, let the vinegar boil with the oil. Get that one boil for a little bit. Out of the onions, the carrots. Onion goes in last. Just let that boil like for 5 minutes. Teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. For 5 minutes now, so we could actually turn that stove off. And just add my carrot. Hot enough already with that temperature. Stove is off. We'll cook that carrot.
You don't want it like, you want like a crunchy taste.
Yes, I want them to stay crunchy. Blanch them. The person don't want no pepper on here, so I'm not gonna put any Scotch bonnet. I would have cut that up and put in there. Once again, that temperature will blanch the onions, keep them crunchy. And that's it. Normally I put some chocho in there, but we'll pass on the chocho today. Here's my pork, seasoned up from last night. There's onions, ginger, pimento, Walker's wood, blended up green onions.
Walking Wood is jerk sauce, by the way.
Jerk seasoning, yeah. Wet. And I also use a dry jerk powder on it as well. And here we are. Just gonna throw this in the oven, let it go on for a few hours. Then I'm gonna take it out and put it on the grill. Get that real jerky, smoky taste. The real McCoy. Then the yard man style.
Camera's dying too.
So I'm just scalding it off.
Scald off one.
Yeah, so I cut the top out. The belly is actually right up behind the head. So I cleaned it out. So I'm just scalding it off. I'm gonna take the water off. I'm gonna do garlic butter with corn, cabbage, onions, with shrimps.
So Daddy, why you take out this? The head? Cause
Yeah,
no one eats it?
No, that's where the gut is. So I cut this out. This was here. So I removed it to take the belly out. All the internal stuff, the guts. And poop.
Don't you mean external?
What?
You said internal.
Internally.
I'm joking.
You think that you me forget things. So I scald it off. I'm gonna rinse it off and I'm gonna start cooking it. Cause really and truly, this stuff don't take long to cook.
So suppose you want me, you couldn't tell me move.
So my dad had some orders here that's supposed to be sent out. If you guys want any fish orders for Good Friday, let us know.
That's 2 of the 4 orders.
Yep. 2 of the 4 orders. Right now he's doing a, this one has to get packed. This one has to get packed away. And then he's doing a lobster and shrimp order. Message me. Email me.
DM.
Email me. You don't answer your DMs. I feel like every time I tell people,
I do it. Touch of oil just a little bit. We have our fresh garlic.
minced, semi-minced.
We have onions chopped thick. Squares. And just a little more.
That's mine.
Well, it came in handy, thank you.
Go on, mix up your pot, Jana.
So I'll make my own garlic butter. And lots of
Whoa, damn! Guys, when I'm actually recording this for you guys, at the same time, I'm learning. And Shauna, if you can't cook, she burns all the pots.
Dirty girl, good.
Put some corn in there.
A little Thomas touch. Daddy left piece of corn back. You see it?
I'll put some Maggi.
Maggie, the best
Auntie
seasoning.
Maggie.
If you're watching this, Maggie, I'm joking.
Care package.
Care package from the Williams fam.
Yes, yes.
You basically just made your own garlic butter.
Yeah.
That smells nice.
Look at that.
Yes.
Smells beautiful, isn't it?
You know beautiful smell, but it's not nice. Ew.
It's darn good already. It's not even cooked yet.
And how high should the stove be?
The stove's on high. But I'm on a small element. I'm gonna turn it down later. I just want my corn to cook a little bit.
The top is moving.
Usually does pepper shrimp, but today's order is garlic shrimp. Yeah, you should do some Gasian.
And I could add
Cajun.
that stuff in here now.
Them shrimp
Wanna big
biggie.
number
I
now?
know. Swimmers as Jamaica call it. Swimmers. Pepper shrimp, pepper shrimp. Pepper shrimp, pepper shrimp. I would love to go fishing but like catch shrimps.
Live.
That would be cool to
Wouldn't
see.
love it,
Yes,
right.
I would. Real bye because you can't handle those adventures.
How do you know that?
I'm gonna make a lot of juice with this because I'm putting the lobster in here too.
Remember that cream sauce you made when you made the, was it oyster? No.
The lobsters.
It wasn't lobsters, man.
Scallops.
Why does the lobster look like it's smiling at me? It looks like the lobster from
I'm
Thing.
gonna try to crack up this
Mermaid. Look who's looking at me.
you know, Caribbean lobsters don't have the big claws.
Yeah.
So I'm just cracking this so some of the juices go inside. It's kind of hard to season these, right? You just gotta chop it and juice will go inside from the pot. Here you go. It's a little bit of seasoning in the top.
Is there meat in this part?
Yeah. A little bit of meat in there. So when this is cooked, when all these shrimps are cooked, then I'll add the lobster to it and I'll add some more juices to it.
Roughly how long does the shrimp then take to cook?
The shrimp only take like, really into it, the stove is hot and you have a liquid underneath it. So it takes like less than 5 minutes.
But they're turning like red too.
There's some people, they cook the shrimps too much, they cook their fish too much. It's your burger. Hey, one order ready to pick up.
One order's here. Pick up. Pepper swims. Pepper swims. Pepper swims. A little bit.
So because I add water, I gotta re-season. Teaspoon. Okay, here we go. That smells amazing. So I dropped my lobster in there. Just gotta juice it up. It has to work its way down to the bottom.
Where'd you buy that?
Drop some juice in there. This one I'm not gonna make spicy. They don't want spice.
But if you were making it spicy, what would you do?
Add some chili flakes, Scotch bonnet. I didn't even put no black pepper in here, nothing.
Too short.
Alright, people, now want to see what going down here. Ray, for no could ever smell this. No, son, Johnny. Yes, get the bun up. Look on, taste on. Whoa.
WUK make nice, man.
Pigga cry.
Doesn't it look beautiful?
Does. If them people could have ever smelled this. burn up your camera. Such a beautiful day. I might go for a walk.
Yeah! What's up? Hi, say hi. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Johnny, Johnny. Open your mouth. So anyways, y'all. Oh yeah, I seen that video.
So we out a long day at the full on a curfew. We tired of all of this. All of we bar we shop them being broken. So this is how we get.
Is that all blood? Mm-hmm. That's insane. Z, cut the video. I guess you can't watch it. Yeah? Guys, I'm here at home. It's another day in the Disney fam. So where am I?
You're not.
Nothing to do as per usual. That's why some days you'll see me not upload for like all 2-3 days because I don't want to bore you guys. So anyways, we're just home. So we're just here. Shauna was here trying to like decorate up our room and thing. I was here taking a nap. She was trying to, I guess, do her little spring cleanup. My dad had some catering orders to do, as you guys saw. She's so disgusting.
Yeah, my sister, you're going nasty. Stand up there and take it.
Oh my god. So yeah, my dad went to go drop off some catering orders and we're just here. I'm about to go give Nala her evening bath. Usually I give her like a bath in the morning when she wakes up, you know, so she all fresh and so clean. And then I give her one at night, but this is a late day bath. Yeah, like I said, Ziggy is currently home. Well, it's weekend obviously, so Ziggy's home. As of right now, we're not sure if he's gonna be going back to work. He's considered an essential worker, but it looks like they're closing down a lot of the construction sites, so he's gonna be home for the next couple of days. So we're trying to plan like videos to do for you guys. Shauna is so annoying. We're trying to plan some videos to do to you guys. He has a YouTube channel, so we're planning to do like reaction videos.
You say your mind's so smutty. You're like you're trying to plan some videos to do to you guys.
That's what I said.
Yes, you said.
Okay, why your mind so dirty?
Are you? Let's do things to them.
Anyways, yeah. Anyways, yeah. So we're trying to like plan out stuff now that he's going to be home. Before it was hard because he would work from like morning to evening or night to morning, and by the time he come home, he's either tired or sleeping or whatever. So hopefully we can push out some like challenges, and I know you guys want to see facts or smacks, so part 2. So we're gonna try to get that.
See prank there. See prank. See prank.
Yo. Not taking that, Nala. Her face. Guys, I just showered and everything. She is actually so annoying. Look how you wet up the wall.
Nisha, I can't dry up. I'm there for you to water. What's up? You're full of shot,
I know one thing that will piss you off.
Piss me off, Nisha. Piss me off.
Look at Nala's looking at me. I know, go lay down.
What, in my bed?
Yes.
Nisha, I want you. I have to see.
Go and dry up. Look at the stairs before someone drops.
Son of prank that, Nisha, then drop. I'm gonna get them off.
Come anytime you need my baby. Keisha's here as well.
This is why we don't prank. It's too much work to plan a prank and then clean up the prank.
How is that a prank though if I'm standing right here?
Got you, but you can't pay my bills.
Oh, tell you that?
I mean,
Yeah. It's like Nala just said, oh, tell you that.
from the other day, I saw some fierce things. You must know yourself.
Tell her, say don't do that. Say don't do that. Tell her, say don't do that.
Well, I guess this
Hey, Mama, look. Mama, look. go on. I don't want to get copyright. I have to sing. I just can't carry on. You guys are ever like want a good playlist? Go on YouTube and type in Romain Virgo mix. And there's one where he's in like a blue suit or something like that. That mix, bought it. Right now I'm playing on my Sono, I think it's called, or Sono, on my Alexa, but that YouTube mix is... Don't do that. Don't lick your hand and put it in your face. What? Guys, I swear to God, sometimes I sound like she's cussing me or she's saying something like... I actually feel sorry for her when she starts talking. Jesus! Jesus!
Not that taking too much work to clean up, yeah?
That's Mama, dance. Hey.
I'm not gonna do the right challenge right now.
Hey. Dance. Hey. Hi, Lakeisha.
She hear me say me I gonna do the rush challenge and she rush come out, yeah.
Go do it now.
Are you stupid?
Can you fix up the bookshelves and over here so it looks proper?
Yeah, idiot. Go back together. Look
at her.
And when you're down, they ain't nobody around. Once they come back,
I'm about to go wash my face and head to bed. I got this new spin brush. I know you guys are already thinking it looks like something else that has already been featured on my channel. It is similar, but it's a different brand. It's by Duval. This is their spin care system that I got for them that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna actually do a full review on this brush. You guys can check out my description box down below for a discount code for this brush, because right now this is on sale. You're gonna get 70% off if you're interested in trying it out. I'm gonna go in with this along with my Lulus Holistic Tea Tree bar soap. So this is what I'm gonna be using on my face. I'm gonna be trying this out. I already tried out one of them and I've been using it. I'm trying to be consistent with one thing, and so far so good. And I have really sensitive skin and I don't have no reaction, nothing. So if you guys are interested in trying out the Lulu Holistic skincare, you guys can also, I'll put a link on the description. Check that out. No, my lord. And of course Nyla just made a big mess and she's running from it because it looks scary. So I'm gonna go put my PJs on. Ta-ta. Anyways guys, good night.